What's up, everyone? This is Financier Pro with you guys again. I have misplaced my stand because I moved, so I got to look for that. And this is why I am on Jasmy crypto today because this crypto just hit Binance a couple days ago, and today it hit a few more exchanges this morning. So I am on coinmarketcap.com looking at everything that's going on with this crypto. And this is the first Japanese crypto coin to hit Coinbase. So it's a big deal. It was on a Japanese crypto. I believe it was like a few dollars or maybe $5 or $6 before it went all the way down because the Japanese market is so strict. So I am up here looking at this graph right now, and it's crazy. This is like, I don't know why a lot of people are not talking about this coin, because maybe because a lot of people don't know about it yet or whatsoever or whatever. But if you look at it and you study the white paper on this, so wow, they just got the exchanges down here on it. Coinbase, Gate.io, Binance, excuse me, Mandala Exchange. Let's look at this. Social Jasmy. But if you study the charts, you can see that it went all the way up here. I believe it was last week, and it did a major jump. It made a major push. But this is one of the cryptos that I'm holding for the long term. You can go up here and hit year to date. It was like flatline for a second, you know. Then this, it hit wow, earlier this year. Wow, that's crazy. All time. So you have to study these charts. A lot of people look at these charts and they want to sell. They treat it like a stock market. They want to sell the next day or whatever. That's not how you get wealthy with this. Like the same thing with Ethereum. See, I wrote a book on Ethereum back in 2011, and that's when it was like, I believe Ethereum was under $1,000 back then. A lot of people got in on crypto when it was like $100. Bitcoin was like $3,000, and the guy got super rich. So, and as well, when I invest in crypto, I always see what it does, like the utility of it. What is it for? Why is it? What's the purpose of it? Some of these meme coins, they have no purpose, and people are jumping on these meme coins like they have utilities, just like they think they're going to get rich with all these other dog coins and things like that. But it just depends. Like you never know with that type of coin. For overnight success, that's what people are looking for. But I always try to look for the utilities for my foundation. Another thing, staking. Earning crypto passive income with staking. Um, just like Algorand and Cardano, things like that. Even ETH 2.0, you can earn crypto staking rewards with that right now, on Coinbase. So this is what I look for. This is Jasmy, and they've been doing a lot of things as far as hitting these platforms. So you can look at the price prediction. I always follow these companies and the founders and the developers on Twitter. So Jasmy was started by Sony executives. I don't know if they still have anything to do with Sony or whatever, but I'm pretty sure they got contacts over there. But that's what Jasmy is for, and it's an Internet of Things crypto. So that's what you have to pay attention to, the utility of it for new people that's in this game. This is my long term hold, one of them. You know, I don't have thousands of dollars in it, but I have a nice chunk of change in it. You know what I mean? So it's on the Ethereum blockchain. And you know what's so amazing about the future of these other blockchains? They when they catch up to Ethereum and have these other altcoins on there with their utilities, you're going to be able to invest in that and hold that. Right now, most of these coins are on Ethereum blockchain. Just imagine when they all come, when they other companies start developing things like that. It's going to be amazing. So, what do you guys think about Jasmy Coin, the Binance market, things like that? Please comment below. Please subscribe. See you next time.